Let's come to the next problem. So we have it. So it is telling that consider the following logic circuit. So there are two gates. The first one is AND gate, and the second one is XNOR gate, right? So A and B are the inputs to this gate, and the output Y is low when. So we need to find the output Y is low when A is high and B is low. A is low and B is high. C, B, both A and B are low, and B, both A and B are high, right? So if we don't remember the output pattern of the XNOR gate, we can derive it from the XOR gate, right? XOR gate, we have A dot B in this format, A bar B plus A B bar, right? Where this is the output of the XOR bar, right? So if we want output of XNOR bar, so is basically the complement of the output of XOR bar. So what will be? So we have A B plus A B bar per complement, right? So from the De Morgan's law, we can easily write it in this form. Or can write A plus B bar into A bar plus B, right? So if we multiply it, both the terms, then A term, A complement, then A B, then B complement A complement, then B complement B. From here, we can easily write that AB equal to what is equal to A dot B dot B complement A complement, right? So the output of XNOR gate is here it is required. So the output will be AB plus A complement into B complement, right? Here we have one AND gate. So from here the output will be AB. And here we have A coming from this portion. So here the output will be A into AB plus A bar into AB bar, right? So we can write that output here also A into AB plus into A bar dot AB bar, right? So A is A, so AB into, we can easily write it as A bar plus B bar, okay? So AB into A bar into A bar plus A bar B bar, right? So it is basically AB plus A bar plus A bar B bar. So if we can take A bar as common, so 1 plus B bar, 1 plus B bar is 1. Then we'll have A bar plus A into B, right? So we know that if we have X plus YZ, we can easily write X plus Y into X plus Z, right? So here we can write A bar plus A into A bar plus B, right? So A bar, A complement plus A is always equal to 1. So we have landed with the answer of A complement plus B. So the final output will be of A complement plus B. So output Y, so the output Y has to be low, B has to be low, right? B has to be low, and A complement will be low, means A has to be high, means A will be high and B will be low, right? So A will be high and B is low. So the option A for this problem is our correct answer, right? Hope you have understood the problem. Thanks a lot.